wo es tat elegant, powerful silhouette with cropped ears, adoquet tail, and a gase tat sense torre at your very soul, if you re thinking of the Doberman Pinscher, you re looking at the tax collector ese dog, a bred specifically engineered for protection, intelligence, and unwavering loyalty, often portrayed in movies as a fierce antagonist. Is the Doberman really just a living security system, or is there a sensitive, affectionate Velcro Dog giving vein tat muscular frame? Today, we are diving deep into the world of the Doberman Pinscher to uncover the truth about this elite guardian. We'll explore their unique origin story. The science behind their incredible ranking as the 5th smartest dog breed, and why they are often misunderstood by the general public. We'll separate the MYTHs from the reality and show you exactly what it takes to lead a dog that lives to protect and please you. Let us unlock the power of the Doberman. Unlike many ancient breeds that evolved over thousands of years, the Doberman Pinscher has a very specific creator and a relatively recent history. In the late 19th century, in the town of Apolda, Germany, a man named Louis Dobermann served as a local tax collector and night watchman, because his hobby involved carrying large sums of money through dangerous neighborhoods, and needed a protector that was intimidating yet obedient, fast yet powerful. By crossing several breeds like Elite Rottweiler, the German Pinscher, the Weimaraner, and eventually the created the prototype of the modern Doberman. This history is why they are so naturally protective. They weren't bred to herse por un ken, but specifically to guard and defend humans. When you own a Doberman, you are holding the leash of a dog designated for its tax loyalty. The Doberman is consistently ranked among the top 5 most intelligent dog breeds in the world. They possess an incredible adaptive intelligence, meaning they can assess a situation and decide how to act without waiting for a command. In a working environment, this makes them elite. In a home environment, it means they are constantly analyzing you. They learn new commands in fewer than 5 repetitions and have an uncanny ability to anticipate their owner's needs. However, despite their tough exterior, they are famous Velcro dogs. They don't just want to be in the same room as you. They want to be physically touching you at all times. This sensitivity means they do not thrive in kennels or being left alone in a backyard. They need to be an integral part of the family pack to remain mentally stable. One of the biggest and most damaging MYTHs is that Dobermans are naturally aggressive or turn on their owners because their brains grow too big for their skulls. This is a complete biological impossibility. In reality, a well-bred and properly trained Doberman is a stable, discerning guardian. They are not looking for a fight, they are looking to defend their loved ones. The aggressive image often comes from poor training, intentional abuse, or movie status temas symbols of villainy. When raised with law, clear boundaries, and consistently leadership, they are remarkably gentle, even with children. They are protective. Yes, but they are also incredibly intuitive and can distinguish between a friendly guest and a genuine threat. Owning a Doberman is a commitment to an active lifestyle. These are elite athletes that require significant physical and mental exercise daily. A bored Doberman will become anxious and destructive. They excel in agility, obedience trials, and protection sports like Schutzhund. Beyond physical exercise, socialization is the most critical part of their development. Because they are naturally wary of strangers, they must be exposed to a wide variety of people, animals, and environments from a very young age. Without this, their protective instinct can turn into fear-based reactivity. A well-socialized Doberman is a confident, calm ambassador for the breed. While they are robust and muscular, Dobermans have specific genetic vulnerabilities that every owner must monitor. Dilated cardiomyopathy (DCM), this is a serious heart condition that is unfortunately common in the breed. Regular cardiac screenings are essential. Von Willebrand disease, a genetic bleeding disorder that can cause complications during surgery or injury. Wobbler syndrome, a spinal condition that can affect their gait and neck health. Bloat, like many deep-chested breeds, they are at risk for gastric torsion, a life-threatening emergency. The Doberman Pinscher is a masterpiece of canine engineering, a dog that represents the peak of loyalty, intelligence, and protective grace. They are not the right dog for a first-time owner or someone who wants a hands-off pet. They require time, firm leadership, and a place by your side. But if you provide that, you will have a partner who will protect you with their life and allow you with a depth that few other breeds can match. Do you have a Doberman? Is your Velcro Dog leaning against you right now? Share your stories in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the Doggo Zone as we continue to explore the world's most amazing dogs. Stay alert, stay loyal, and we'll see you in the next video.